205.57, Petition for Guardianship by Adoptive Parent. When a petition for temporary guardianship has been filed by an adoptive parent pursuant to the DRL, the clerk in which the petition has been filed shall distribute a written notice to the adoptive parents and lawyers who have appeared, and to the Commissioner of Social Services or Director of Probation Service, as appropriate, indicating these three things. 1. A petition for adoption must be filed in the court in which the application for temporary guardianship has been brought within 45 days from the date of the signing of the consent to adoption. 2. Any order or decree will expire no later than 9 months following its issuance or upon the entry of a final order of adoption, whichever is sooner. So whichever is first, upon application to the court, is extended for good cause. 3, an order or decree of temporary guardianship will terminate upon withdrawal or denial of a petition to adopt a child, unless the court orders a continuation of such order or decree. And then here's the final paragraph. In addition to, and without regard to the date set for the hearing of the petition, the clerk of the court shall calendar the case for the 45th day from the date of the signing of the consent to the adoption. If no petition for adoption has been filed by the 45th day, what happens? What shall the court do? Well, the court shall schedule a hearing and order the appropriate agency to conduct an investigation forthwith if one had not been ordered previously. So let's go over the time rules again. Okay, again, this is 205.57, Petition for Guardianship by Adoptive Parent, Temporary Guardianship, or Guardianship. Time rules. The petition for adoption must be filed in the court where the application for temporary guardianship has been brought within 45 days from the date of the signing of consent to adoption. 2. Any order or decree of temporary guardianship will expire no later than 9 months following either its issuance or the entry of an order of adoption, whichever occurs first. In addition to, and without regard to the date of the hearing of the petition, the clerk of the court shall calendar the case for the 45th day from the signing of the consent to adoption. And if no petition has been filed by the 45th day, the court shall schedule a hearing and order the agency to conduct an investigation forthwith if one has not been ordered previously. And the two agencies are the Social Services or Director of Probation Service. That's the written notice that the clerk of the court shall distribute, a written notice to the adoptive parents and lawyers who have appeared, and Commissioner of Social Service or Director of Probation Service. So time rules here you got to know are 45 days, 9 months, 45th day, and forthwith.